Are you getting the unsupported link, Google Maps can't open this link error? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you several troubleshooting steps that can help fix the problem. Let's get started. First, open Google Maps and tap your profile picture to check which Google account you're currently using. Sometimes, a school, work, or organization account may have restrictions that prevent certain links from opening. Try tapping Switch Account and use another Google account without those restrictions. You can also manage or remove the restricted account if necessary. If that doesn't fix the problem, check for an update. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Google Maps, and see if an update button is available. If it is, tap Update and install the latest version. Next, check whether the link itself is valid. Copy the Google Maps link and paste it into your web browser. If the link doesn't open there either, it may be invalid, expired, or outdated. If the link works in your browser but still doesn't work in Google Maps, try reinstalling the app. On your phone, press and hold the Google Maps icon, select Remove or Delete, and then reinstall Google Maps from the Play Store or App Store. Make sure the app is fully updated before trying the link again. You can also restart your phone. Turn your device off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. After restarting, open Google Maps and try the link again. Another thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try opening another website or app to confirm that your connection is stable. If the connection is weak, move to an area with a stronger signal or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Finally, you can try resetting your location settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and select Reset Location and Privacy. On Android, the exact options can vary by device, but you can look under Settings, General Management, and Reset for available location or app-related reset options. This reset does not delete your personal data, but you may need to grant location permissions again. And that's it. These are several ways to fix the unsupported link, Google Maps can't open this link error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.